Hello everybody, and welcome back to Finch. In this short tutorial, we're going to have a look at the Finch interface, how we display data, metrics, information. So I've gone ahead and opened up one of our sample projects. First thing we're going to do is navigate to the left over here, open up our key figures. If we just click on them, it's going to bring up these rings. And on our rings here, we can kind of see a breakdown between the different programs in our project. So residential, retail, and circulation in this project here. So here we have usable floor areas, gross floor areas, NIAs. Then if we come up to the top in the middle, we can see we have our little icons. We can turn off our building wireframe. So here we can actually see the mass that we've brought in. We can turn this up. And then we come over to the right, we can see our data drawers. First, we have our programs. Then we have space types, residential unit mix, things like story heights and outer walls. So always in Finch, if you're trying to see a certain breakdown of spaces, then always navigate to your data drawers to open these up. Then we have things like our ability to save camera views. So here we go, and click on this and we come back to this view that we've saved. And then we can turn the sun on and turn on and off our custom geometry. The final thing we can do, if we click on the arrows, we can go ahead and export screens, so we can export images and layouts. In Finch, if we click once, it's going to bring up some options. So here in our masking studio, we can change our program, we can change our story height, and we can go ahead and copy this story to then paste it. If we want to get into a floor plate, then we just go ahead and double click. And then once in the floor plate, this is a finished project. We follow the same logic. We click once, and then we can change again the program. We can mirror the unit plan, and at this stage we can click once on walls to move them. And then again, if we want to edit the plan, it's as simple as we double click to come in. Here, if we navigate to the top of our screen, we can see that we have all of our draw tools. So our draw walls, separators, measuring, doors, and objects. So that's it. That's the Finch interface. Thanks for watching.